When you receive your unit from RPGhair, it'll come in their standard purplish packaging, which will state their name. You'll also receive one of their after sales care brochures, which will tell you how to maintain your wig and any questions that may incur. You'll also receive the amenities from RPGhair, such as an edge styling brush and a rat tail comb, which you can use to style your own natural hair or your unit. For an additional cost, you can also purchase some of their headbands, which will look great with any headband unit, and it'll definitely jazz it up. They have an array of assortments on their website to choose from, so I definitely would say check these out, as I love their sequins metallic finish. The unit that I received is an 18-inch Yaki straight headband unit in the density of 150%. The price of this unit is amazing. The starting price ranges from $79 and up, but this headband wig for 18 inches and 150% density is only $135. You'll definitely have to check out their website, as they have so many different headbands to choose from, along with so many different headband wigs to choose from as well. And the prices are just amazing and won't break the bank. The fabric of the headband is stretchy material, and you can easily fold this back to lay another headband on top of it for a more fashionable look. I'll link all of RPGhair's websites and information down below, as I'm sure you'll want to check them out.
You ready? Okay, go girl.
Here.
Look in the mirror and stuff. Put your glasses on. Put your glasses on. Can you see?
Yeah, I'm right here in front of the mirror.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have it like this.
That is not gonna work.
Sure.
Remember, you have to put the put the combs up, yeah. And
I don't know how you guys do this.
here, I'm gonna take this off and put and rest the combs.
I was like started from up here.
Yeah, you don't have to. Start from the sides, honey. Pull it, rest the combs up in your two braids. Pull it up. See, now look, the back is, there you go. You gotta rest it in your braid.
Mm-hmm.
The combs.
Mm-hmm. Oh, God.
Sorry.
Little stitches back there. Voila.
Okay.
Hold on now, Kim K. I like this one a lot better.
I do too.
I feel like Sweetie the rapper.
I don't know about those.
Megan Thee Stallion. Hey. Or watch her back.
Oh.
I was just I like this one.
Yeah. It's flashing.
Oh my god.
It's flashing. You're not professional. All right. My pose before is flashing. Not like that. You look stupid.
Every time I do a video with you, I can't pose right to save my life.
I know. Let's keep together. Finally. And then you can do all kind of things with it. Like, look, you can put it in a ponytail. People like to put theirs up in a ponytail on hot days. Put your headband. Yeah.
Even a Karen can get a headband wig.
Oh, Lord. Phew. As long as their head could fit in this, they good.
It's like one size fit all?
Well, some places be having like sizes like small, medium, and large. But most of them that I've had, it's like a one size fit all type thing. Oh, shoot. Dang, you hit me, it should. Oh, that looks cute though. So, let's see. Let's, girl, you are gonna make the ponytail uneven. I was trying to get a picture. Okay. You, girl. Cute. So, what do you think about it?
This one.
Yeah, I like this one on you. The texture goes nice with your own hair, and it's the right length. Oh my God, they're gonna be like, Nate's got hair tomorrow when you go to work.
Oh my God, I'm not bald.
Nate likes this one.
Straight hair, you can do a lot of things with. But curly hair, you can too. Because it's like a different type of curl. It's like wavy.
That's easier for your first time wig.
I like the color, just plain simple black. Because, you know, I'm even like that with my braids too. I just like them plain.
Yeah. So how does it feel on your head? Like,
it feels nice. Not heavy. I thought it would have been heavy, but it's really nice. Like lightweight. So yeah, it's easy to just take off. I don't know what that look means.
You heard her. She said it's easy to take on and off. I told y'all, everybody can do them. We love you guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. All the information. Why am I blurry? All the information will be in the description box below. And on that note, we got to go.